Not all leads are created the same.
That's right. It's important for agents to know the difference in working digital leads versus direct mail leads.
One of the biggest differentials is going to be the expectation of that lead. Digital leads expect an immediate response. And if you're not hitting them very quickly, they're probably going to cool down a lot quicker.
Yeah, and if you think about that, the person responding to a digital lead, they saw an ad online, they stopped, they filled out the information, hit send, so they're ready to receive that information. Their hand is raised and they're ready to learn.
Yeah. If you can hit them right then too, you're going to have a much more likely time to get them on the phone.
Yeah, and a lead mailer, the person gets it at home, they're filling out an actual piece of paper, putting it in the mail, so their expectation might not be the same as a digital lead. The other item to consider when comparing these leads is the turnaround time. And so, Robin, we deal with leads day in and day out, right? So if you're an agent and you want leads now, the mail leads are going to be a little slower turnaround time. It's just a longer process. Digital leads can get up and running out to market a little bit faster, really a lot faster.
Right. Generally, for a lead mailer, we're looking at 5 to 6 weeks for the full turnaround. For a digital marketing campaign, you could have something set up, out, and have responses within 24 hours.
Right.
Let's talk about audience.
Okay.
Digital leads are really computer literate folks who are much more savvy and used to being on the computer, which makes them a perfect fit for enrollment platforms like Medicare Center.
Yeah, agents, jump in here because you know that finding your computer literate prospects can be difficult. So to me, this is why digital leads might be so exciting right now.
Now, one of the most important factors for digital leads is really going to be the reach. They cast a much wider net than typical lead mailers.
Right. In a lead mailer, if you think about it, they're much more focused, right? That lead mailer is going to one mailbox.
Exactly.
Now that mailbox has been identified and queued up as a good target for you, so it's kind of the one-to-many situation.
Absolutely. So who wins?
My answer would have to be both digital and lead mailers.
Yes, absolutely. Multi-channel approach is always going to be the best bet. It's going to give you the widest array of leads coming in the door, and it's going to keep you going. You're not going to have a big gap in any of your lead prospecting.
For sure. And then also, we always like to tell our agents, remember, when you're working leads, 1 or 2 calls doesn't cut it. If you call 6 times, your chances of reaching that lead increases tremendously, almost close to 90%. So don't give up, hold on to those leads, and continue to work them.
Yep, don't give up. Keep squeezing those leads. Thank you so much for checking out this video.
We hope you learned something new.
If you enjoyed our content, you can check out some of our other videos here.
Or explore the rest of our channel to learn new ways to boost your Medicare sales.
As always, you can reach out to us at Neishloss Fleming with any questions, and we'll be happy to help.